Modal stacking in Next.js.
Welcome everybody. Welcome today to today's class. Today is day 77 of our development course. And today we are going to look at a concept. It's called modal stacking. Okay? It's called modal stacking. Okay? Okay. So members, this is the concept we're going to look at in today's class. Okay? Okay. It has been one of the most anticipated. It has been one of the most anticipated as far as web development is concerned. Okay, a lot of people have requested for this concept. Okay, a lot of people have requested for this concept to be there. Okay, and we see how we solve this concept. Okay, so members, before we can begin to look at this, I would like to first pass through what we covered in yesterday's class, and we see. Okay, so members, yesterday's class was day 76. Yesterday was day 76. Okay, and yesterday we were looking at the pop-ups, the model, or the pop-ups, or what I can call, or what I can term as the model pop-ups. Okay, what I can term as the model pop-ups. Okay. So members, yesterday we introduced these pop-ups here, and looked at various kinds and various types of these pop-ups. Okay. Look at these pop-ups here yesterday, members, and look at variety of these types. Look at the model pop-ups. Look at the drop-down pop-ups. We looked at very many of these pop-ups. Okay. So members, yesterday's class is a continuation of today's class. Okay. So let me first move this. Members, yesterday's class is a direct continuation. It's a direct continuation of today's class. Okay. The direct continuation of today's class. Okay. Of today's class. It's a direct continuation of today's class. Okay. So members, if you missed yesterday's class, I would urge you to first go back and watch day 76. Then you come and watch in today's class, because what I want to look at today is a continuation of yesterday. Okay. So yesterday we ended where we had, for example, a pop-up like this one here. It's coming. Give it some time. It's coming. Give it some time. Okay, the pop-up yesterday we ended with is this one here, where, for example, you have the videos like this. Okay, then you close here, then you open here the pop-up, then you close here. Okay, so this is where we ended yesterday, and we are going to continue from here. If you missed yesterday's class, I would urge you to go back and you watch yesterday's video, then you come and watch today's class, because it's a continuation. Okay. So members, we're going to look at today's class. Okay, we're going to dive into today. Okay. So members, I would ask myself, and members, if you haven't yet subscribed, I would urge you to first hit the notification icon and the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming classes. Okay. So members, this is what we are going to look at today. Okay. So members, what is modal stacking? This is a very bloody concept. Okay. What is modal stacking? Okay. Some know it, some don't know it. Some people, they face this indirectly. Because they don't know what it is. Okay. So members, modal stacking. When I talk about modal stacking, it is almost the same as pop-up stacking or modal pop-up stacking. Okay. So what is modal stacking? Modal stacking is when this is an occurrence. This is when. Okay. When more than one model, okay, is open at the same time. Okay. When more than one model is open at the same time, this becomes very bloody. Okay. It becomes very bloody. It may not affect the site so much, but when you come 1, 2, 3, 4, oh my dear, the site becomes broken. Okay. So members, you see this model here. For example, when you come and tap here, view details. This model here. Okay. Then you come and say here, X, you close the model. Imagine if you had two models where you have a pop-up here, and a pop-up, and another pop-up, and another pop-up, okay? The site becomes broken, the UI becomes broken, okay? This becomes a very recurrent problem, okay? Okay, so remember, this has been one of the most anticipated concepts. A lot of people have asked me to make a video for this, okay? So I have come and I'm going to solve this problem when you are real seeing it happen, and when you are real seeing it happen in our example, okay? Okay, so members, I would urge maybe and we look at this. So what causes this model stacking? What causes what causes what is the major cause for model stacking? What causes model stacking? Model stacking. Okay? What causes model stacking? Someone wants to know what causes model stacking. Because someone doesn't know. They just and a good developer, you have to know all these things. Okay? You a good developer, you have to know all these things. You can't just be there and you say I am a full stack developer, but you don't even know what happens where. Okay? What happens where and what causes what. Okay? Okay. So this one here happens when the first cause for this is uh, multiple set opens set open calls are called from the different components. Okay, multiple setup calls, multiple set open set open set open true calls are open. So set open calls from there are multiple set open true calls from various components. Okay, from various components. Okay, this is the very first cause of this model stacking. Okay, okay, so we have another one. It is here too. Global state is not controlled. Global state global state global state is not controlled. Global state is not controlled. Okay, it is not controlled. Members who know me very well, I first begin with some little bit of theory, then we look at the real practical bit. Okay, then look at the real practical bit. Okay, okay, so members, this is a very dangerous concept, and this one makes you to become a very good developer. Okay, understanding this makes you to become a very good developer. Okay, okay, so we move and this one is done. Let us move down and we see. Let us move down and we see. So the first one is this, the second one is this one, then the third one, another third cause of it is the third one. The third one is missing. We have here missing close calls. Okay, missing close calls. Okay, missing close calls. Okay, okay. So if you miss very many of these, their pop-ups are opened at the same time, and this is becomes disaster. It becomes a disaster. Okay, okay. So if you use, for example, another cause of this I think another one can be like UI libraries. Okay, UI libraries. UI libraries. Okay, that 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 allow nested modules. That allow nested modules. So if you happen to use a UI library that allows you to use nested modules, you may face this problem. You may face this problem. Okay, you may face this problem. Okay, okay. So another problem can be conditional rendering issues. A third one is conditional rendering. The fifth one is conditional conditional rendering conditional rendering issues. Okay, conditional rendering issues. Okay, okay, so conditional rendering issues here is another problem which can cause us to have model stacking. Okay, it's another problem that can cause us to have model stacking. Okay, okay, so members, I hope members you are really understanding where this is coming from. Okay, okay, so we are going to look at an example. We are going to look at an example of how of this model stacking in action. Okay, we are going to look at an example of this model stacking in action, and members see this very well with their own eyes, how dangerous it can become. Okay, how dangerous it can become. Okay. So we are continuing from yesterday's class. As you see, yesterday's class is here. Okay. So when I come here, the pop-up is there. I close. This one is for opening pop-up. I close. Okay. Opening pop-up, and I close the pop-up. Okay. So we are continuing from yesterday's class. Okay. I'm not going to repeat this whole pop-up again. I'm just going to start from here. Okay. So we're going to see how model stacking becomes very dangerous. You're going to see how model stacking becomes very dangerous. I had here my page.tsx as you can see it there. Okay. I had here my model.tsx as you see it there. Model popup.tsx. I had here my card.tsx as you see it there. Okay. So we are continuing directly from where we ended yesterday's class. Okay. So members, as you can see, it looks like this. Okay. It looks like this. It looks like that. Okay. So members, as you can see, when I come here, for example, on the page, you can see the page is here. Okay. You can see the page is here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to create like 3 pop-ups. Okay. I'm going to create like 3 pop-ups. Let me come here down. I'm going to create like 3 pop-ups, and we see. We are going to 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 see. To see model stacking in action. Model stacking in action. Okay? In action. Okay. We are going to see model stacking in action. I'm going to create 3 pop-ups, and you see how model stacking comes about. Okay? I'm going to have here 3 pop-ups. Okay? 3 pop-ups. 3 pop-up models. Okay? 3 model, or what I call as 3 model pop-ups. Okay. 3 model pop-ups, and you see how model stacking is effective. Okay. So we are going to start. We are going to go and we see. So right now, this one I can maybe put it like this side, and you see. Okay. So members, when I come here and tap here, for example, view details. Okay. This pop-up here, I want to create another pop-up there. Okay. I want to create another pop-up here. Okay. Here. So what am I going to do? Here are the details. Okay. So you can see that there is lorem like that. Okay. So where is this model pop-up? The model pop-up is here. As you can see, model pop-up is here. Okay. It's there. So I'm going to come here. The body of the model pop-up. You see the body of the model pop-up? It's there. So I'm going to come and add here, for example, other things. I can come and add here, for example, maybe this body here for the pop-up here. I can come here and I add here like I can make it width full. I made here width full. Let me come and make this one. This one is height. This height is 10 VH. Okay, it's 10 VH. I'm going to come in and make this one height 40 VH. Okay, 40 VH. 40 VH. Okay, 40 VH. Okay. Then I come here and I put here, for example, another div here, down here. Then I'm going to come and put here the lower part of this is going to be like the lower part of the pop-up. Okay. So I'm going to come and put here, for example, class name, and I put here, for example, width full. Then I come and put here, for example, height. Height is 10 VH. 10 VH. Okay. And I come and put here, for example, background color. Then I say here pink. Okay. Pink maybe 500. Okay. So I'll see how this pop-up looks like. It's coming. It's there. Okay. It is here. The pop-up is here. Okay. It is there. As you can see, it is here. Okay. So members, this pop-up here you're seeing here is for this one is for this one. I'm going to put a button to take me to view for example images. Okay, to view for example images. Okay. So let me come here. Let me add here some bit of the more details. I can put here maybe in this one for the body. I maybe put here more for example lorem. Okay, for example lorem, as you can see. So I want to see it. It's there. So let me just put here some gap. Let me come and put here, for example, flex. Okay. Flex, and I put here, for example, flex item center, justify center, and I see how it looks like. Okay, it's there. So let me put here, for example, gap of maybe 4. Okay, gap of maybe 4, and I see. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, let's go with this. So But this one here, let me put them in the P. Let me put them in the P tags, because if they has to be like that, it doesn't look really well. Okay, it doesn't look really well. So let me put them in the P tags. Let me even get this one here. This other description, I put in the P tag. Okay, okay. So members, I hope you are seeing what I am doing. Okay, okay. So we are seeing it's there. So let me come. I put here, for example, flex call of display flex call. Okay, flex call. Okay, okay, just like that. So it's coming like this. Okay, description is there. So description is there, as you can see it. I can even maybe add even a third description. Okay, I can even add a third description. Okay, I can even add a third description. So I can come I copy. No, let me come I copy this one and I press it there very well. Third description, as you can see it. So it is there, okay? It is there, okay? It is there. Third description. Very good. Very, very good, okay? Okay. So as it looks very good, like the way you're seeing it there. So here I'm going to put here a button to open the second pop-up, okay? Second pop-up is going to be a pop-up taking me to images, okay? To view images, okay? Okay. So when I come here, I see here, I can put there a button. I can put there a button, okay? I can put there a button. Maybe the description is here, but now I want them to view images, okay? And to view images, they are on another pop-up, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here, I put here a button, and this one is for viewing, is for opening. This button here is for opening. This button is for opening, is for opening, is for opening a pop-up to view, to view all the images, okay? Okay. So as you can see this button, okay? Okay. So I come here, I put there, button is here, I put here view all images. I can even put here an image, okay? I can come here, I put here image, okay? Image from Lucid React. Image from Lucid, not the next image, okay? The image from the Lucid React, okay? Okay. And I come, I put there view all images, okay? All images, as you see it here, okay? Okay. And I come, I put here, for example, a class name, and I come, I put here, for example, px maybe 6, and maybe py is maybe 2, okay? Okay. And I come, I put there maybe a background color, maybe white, okay? Background color maybe white, okay? Okay. And I come, I put there maybe rounded, just rounded, okay? Okay, round the corners of the button, okay? It's coming. Let's wait for it and we see it is there, okay? It is there. So it looks to be very big. It looks to be very big and very gigantic. Let me put here maybe 4 and we see. Okay, it's there. But now it looks to be very, 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 very big. And now let me put here, for example, flex, okay? And we see. Okay, it looks like that, okay? Okay. Let me put there, for example, gap of maybe like 2, okay? Gap of maybe like 2. Okay, it's there. It is there, okay? Okay. So I want to put this button in the center. I come here, I put here flex, okay? And I put here item center, and I put here justify center, okay? Justify center. Members, we started one concept and then we use this concept elsewhere, okay? So this one is just an example. And you're going to face this example, you're going to use this example almost everywhere to come, okay? Okay. So let me just put maybe justify in. Instead of justify center, let me put justify in, okay? Let me just put justify in and I see. So it goes at the end here, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come, I put there some bit of padding. I can maybe put padding 6, okay? px6. And I see it looks like it's there, okay? Okay. So it looks very good, as you can see it there, okay? Okay. So maybe what I can do, maybe I can just put some bit of shadow or some bit of border. You know border, eh? So instead of it being white like this, I can put maybe border. Okay? I put maybe border. Okay? Okay. So let me see, it looks like that, okay? Okay. So maybe I can even remove the pink. This pink you're seeing here. Okay? Okay. So it looks like that. So members, the pop-up you're seeing here, this one is now another button. Let me put another button like cursor pointer. Cursor pointer, okay? Cursor pointer, okay? Cursor pointer just like this. So when I point at that on that button here, okay, it's now good. It's now good. Okay, okay. So this button here is going to open a pop-up. This button you're seeing here is responsible for opening a pop-up to view all images. Okay, to view all images. To view all images. Okay, to view all images. Okay, okay. So members, it looks like this. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. I'm going to come here. I can even duplicate this same pop-up, okay? I can even duplicate this same pop-up and I make there and I make it like pop-up 2, okay? And make it like pop-up 2 and you see, okay? Okay. So let's come here. I can even duplicate this same pop-up here seeing here, okay? I even duplicate this same pop-up here seeing and I make it pop-up 2, okay? Okay. So this one is called this one I just named it as pop-up just, okay? Now I'm going to go to another called pop-up 2 and you see. So I can come and just copy like for example this one, okay? I just come and copy all of this one, okay? Then I come and bring it, for example, here. In the components here, I just copy it and put it there. I maybe come and copy it. I can come maybe. No, I can come here. Then I open here, for example, model pop-up. Maybe model, model pop-up, model pop-up, model pop-up. 2. This one was 1. This one is 2 now. .tsx, okay? .tsx just like this. Model pop-up 2. And I post all of this here, okay? So this one becomes like my model pop-up 2. I can even call it model pop-up 2, okay? You are seeing. So this one here, I can maybe I can just do maybe change this one here. I can maybe just change this one and just come and change this one. Instead of this one having description, I can maybe just come and I remove, for example, this one. This one you're seeing here, and I put, for example, like all my images, all my images are here. All my images are here. Okay? All my images are here. I'm just trying to change this one which I already have. Okay? So this one which I already have. Okay? Okay. Can even maybe put some bit of text. Text maybe to Excel. Okay? Text maybe to Excel. So all my images are there. Okay? Okay. So members, as I come here on the home page here, seeing here, then I now put now the one for the second pop-up, okay? The second pop-up, okay? Okay, this one I put as pop-up 1. This one is pop-up 1, okay? Okay. So this one is not labeled like, and this one has no label. And I come and now make now pop-up 2. I come and I make now pop-up 2, okay? Here, okay? I now make pop-up 2, the second pop-up. The pop-up 2, okay? Pop-up 2, okay? Okay, just like this. So it looks like this. It looks like this, okay? Okay, looks like this. So I'm going to just come and put all of this one as you see it here, okay? Then I copy, just paste it here, okay? And this one is pop-up 2. This one is pop-up 2. So it's just like this, okay? Okay. So pop-up here comes from components, okay? Okay, just like this. And then what am I going to do? I'm going to come and I make another state. I'm going to make another state, okay? I just duplicate even this one here. Just duplicate this one and I put maybe say I come and I put maybe open it 2, okay? I come and I put maybe open it 2 and maybe set open 2, okay? Just like that. Then I come here and I put here set open 2, and even here set open 2, okay? Just like this. When I go to the middle pop-up 2 here, I come and I put here set open 2, and even here set open 2, okay? Just like this. So even here set open false, the x here set open 2 false, okay? Set open 2 false, just like this, okay? Okay. Same as I want you to see exactly what is happening here, okay? And you see exactly what is happening here, okay? Okay. So when I come on this model pop-up here, I'm going to come here. I am going to come here. Now I am going to put here this button you're seeing here. This button which is for view all images. This button which is for view all images. When come and I put there, I come and say here only click, okay? Only click. Then I come I say here I put now an arrow function, okay? An arrow function. Then I come I say here set open, set open 2, set open 2. Okay, set open 2, then I put here true. Okay, okay. So this one is responsible for opening the second this one is responsible for opening the pop-up to view all images, and this one is the second modal pop-up. This is modal pop-up, modal pop-up, modal pop-up 2, modal pop-up, modal pop-up, modal pop-up 2. Okay, modal pop-up 2. Okay. So members, I'm going to pass this set open to inside here. Okay, so I can come and pass also this one here, this set open inside this first model, inside this first model. Okay, I pass it inside the first one. Okay. So when I come here now, I have to call it in the model pop-up. Okay. I come and I have to call it here. I come, I say here, set open 2, as you can see. And even this one here, I can maybe come, then I maybe just change this one a little bit, just duplicate it and just change it a little bit. Then I come and I put there like this. Okay. Then I come and put there, for example, set open 2, set open 2. Set open 2. Okay, just like this. Okay. So I hope everything is good. I'll just create another pop-up. Okay, in the shortest period of time. So we are here right now. When I come and tap on, for example, view details, okay, they takes me to the pop-up. Okay, now something is happening wrong. I understand very well. I understand what is happening. We are on which page? And now we are on which one? Model pop up like this. Okay. I understand. So let me first see. Let me first see. So members, model pop up. Let me first see where the model pop up is. Okay, it is here. Set open. Everything is good. Okay, set open it too. Okay, I can say everything is good. Okay. So let me first come here. I see. I'm trying to see something. Set open to true. Then this one here where there is the card. So here where there is the card. So I'm seeing this one here. Set open true. Okay. So let me first close and I see. Even the close cannot work. So when I come on this one here, model pop up. When I come on the model pop up, model pop up is where? Where's the model pop up? Where's the model pop up? Model pop up 2. Model pop up 2 is here. Okay, set open true like this. But right now, I want now okay, I understand. So there's even here open two, okay, just like this. Okay. So it's good. Okay, it's good. So it's good. So I can see. Okay. Same as when I open, for example, view details. Okay, takes me to the view details pop up. Okay. So when I come, I say here view all images. Takes me to now the all images pop up. Okay. So now let me first talk on this on that one. I give it, for example, height of maybe like height of maybe like let me say like now let me first go back here. Let me give you a height of maybe like this one. Let me give it, for example, maybe like of 50, of maybe 50%. Okay, or 50%. Maybe let me give it like 40%. Okay, like 40%. Then I give maybe height of maybe like 70. Okay, 70. So we can see it very well. Okay. Same as you're going to see, it's going to appear like this. Okay. So members, you see this variation here. I come, I tap here, for example, view details. Okay. And I come, I say here, view all images. Okay. Now the all images are here. Okay. So my pop-up is here. Okay. My pop-up is there. Okay. So members, you can see this variation. Okay. So let me first work on this pop-up. So when I come here, let me see. Let me first see. Let me add this one. Let me add it like 50. View here, you see. And now, members, something I want to show you. So this one here, all my images are going to be here. So members, when I come here, for example, and now instead of this one here, it's going to be view one image. View a single image. Okay. View one image. Okay. View a single image. Okay. Or view one image. Okay. or view a single image or view one image. Okay, okay. So view one image. Okay, okay. This one is for viewing a single image. Okay, this one is for viewing a single image. Okay, okay. View one image. Okay, okay. So even this one, when I tap on this pop-up here, it's also going to create another pop-up. It's also going to show me another pop-up. Okay, for a single image. Okay, okay. So I want you to look at this very critically well. Okay, very critically well. Okay, okay. So here members, at least right now we are having two pop-ups, okay? Okay. This one here, this one is there, also this one is there, okay? Okay. So we have another, we are going to now create the third pop-up, okay? So now I tap here, for example, view images, all images. It takes me on the pop-up for all my images here, okay? Okay. Now here I view one image or view a single image, okay? View a single image. Maybe come I put here, maybe view a single image. View single image, okay? Okay. View a single image. View single image, okay? Okay, just for view only one image, okay? Okay. So when I tap here, I also want another pop-up to show, okay? I also want another pop-up to show. So I'm going to come and put the third pop-up, okay? I just duplicate from this one. Just duplicate from this one. There's no need of creating of again recreating another pop-up, okay? Okay, just duplicate from this one. I come here, I copy this to this exact one here. I come here, I create here, for example, model pop-up 3, okay? Model pop-up 3. Model pop-up pop-up 3, okay? Dot TS6, okay? Okay, like this. So I come, I put there everything just like this. I come and I put here, for example, model pop-up 3, okay? I just put here set open 3, okay? Set open 3 is going to come from set open 3 as you see it there. So I can come here on the page here, and I put here, for example, I come I add here another state for set open 3, okay? I just come I copy all this, and I got now another state for the third pop-up, okay? Okay, set open 3, set open 3, and even here open 3 and set open 3 just like this, as you can see. So I come here, I now got the third pop-up, okay? Okay, the third pop-up is here, okay? The third pop-up 3, okay? Pop-up 3. So I come here, I put here, for example, pop-up 3 is there, and I come, I put here, for example, set open 3, okay? Set open 3 is there, set open 3 is there, okay? Okay. So members, it looks like this. So even inside here, I'm going to also put here, for example, I'm also going to put here, it's even here, I'm going to put here, for example, set open. Is it even necessary for me to put there? Set open 3 inside here. The model pop-up 3. I don't think it's necessary. I don't think it is necessary. I don't think it's necessary. Okay? I don't really think it is necessary. Okay? Okay, I don't think it's necessary. So, model pop-up 3. Okay? So, this one here, maybe I can remove this. Okay? I don't think this one is necessary for me here. So this one here is I'm going to put here set open 3. Set open 3. Set open 3 as you see it there, okay? Okay. So as you can see this one here, maybe I can just come and remove all of this from this one here. I can come and remove all of this one from the model pop-up here and I just leave it empty. Okay? Just leave it empty. But I need it because I need it for closing. I need it for closing. I need it for closing, okay? I need it for closing. I need it for closing. I cannot just remove it. I cannot just remove it, okay? I cannot just remove it. So I need it for closing, okay? Okay. So put it there. I also need it, even put it here, okay? Even put it there on the second pop-up, okay? Okay. So members, in my third model, as you see, my third model is here. Once come I put there all of this as set pop-up 3. Come I put it inside there. So here I'm going to put here, for example, set open 3 as you see it there, set open 3, and I come I just copy all of this as you see it, as you see all of this, okay? Come I copy all of this as you see it, all of this I copy, and I come I put it here, comma I put also this one for set open 3, okay? Put that one for set open 3, okay? Okay. So this button you're seeing here, view a single image, is going to open So this one is responsible for opening a pop-up to view a single image. To view a single image, okay? Okay. Members, I'm just using a very small example, okay? But members, you're going to find an example where you have, like, for example, 5 pop-ups, okay? But I'm just going to use only 3 for now, okay? Okay. So view a single image, okay? Okay. So this one here, you're seeing here, I'm going to come and say here on the click, and I come, I put here, for example, an arrow function, and I come, I put here, for example, I say equal is equal or equal to, and I come, I say here set open 3, okay? And I come, I put here, view a single image, and I say here true, okay? View a single image, and I come, I put there maybe true, okay? Just like that, okay? Okay. Same as you can see this very well, okay? Okay. So here I may not even require this button here on the third pop-up. Using the third pop-up, I may not require this button. I can even come and remove it. I can even come and remove this whole div. I may not even require it. I just require only this one here. I come, I say my single image is here. My single image, my single image, my single image, my single image is here. My single image is here, okay? Okay. Then I come, I put here, for example, set open 3, okay? Set open 3, okay? It's there. So members, wow, this is nice. This is nice. But I'm going to reduce this one. I may say maybe this one is 30%, and this one maybe is like 80 V8, okay? Okay. Make it more compatible, okay? Okay. So as let us see how it looks like. Let us now see how it looks like. Let us see how it looks like, okay? Okay. So I want to see this one. For example, I come and say here, view details, okay? The first pop-up opens, okay? It has certain details. As you see, the details are here, okay? Then I come and say here, you can even close it, okay? Then I come and say view details, okay, it's there. Then I come and say here, view all images, oh, because if the images, okay? Okay. Come and tap there, view images, all my images come and they are here, okay? All my images come and they are here, okay? Okay. So then I come, I saw my images, they're here, they can even be in a carousel, okay? Okay. Same as if I come, I tap there, for example, view a single image, okay? View a single image. Now the pop-up for the single image, the pop-up for the single image shows up, okay? I even close this one. The pop-up for the single image shows up, okay? Okay. Now as you can see, the pop-up for the single image is here. The pop-up for the single image is here, okay? What I can do maybe, let me first take this one back. Let me first take this one up. But where is this one? Where is this one? Move up them. This one. First take it back. First take it back. First take it back. There's something I want. There's something I'm looking for. Something I'm looking for. Something I'm looking for. Okay. Leave this one. Leave this. Leave this bottom. Leave this bottom container. Okay. Leave that bottom container. First take it back and you see. Leave this bottom container. Don't touch this one. Don't touch the bottom container, okay? Just comment this last one. This container which you're seeing here with a view single image, okay? This one here, which is on the last pop-up, okay? On pop-up 3. Just comment it, okay? Just comment it like this. Okay? Just comment it. Just comment it. Just comment it for me, and then we'll see. That's what I want. Just comment it, okay? Okay. Oh, it's not even working. First take it back. So members, what I want to achieve is this button you're seeing here. I want to first comment this one. Okay? First comment that one. Even this one here you're seeing here, I need to first comment it. But it's not working. First take it back. Okay? I want to comment this button here and see again. But let me first leave it because this one is not even. I've just commented this button, okay? Okay. So you will see it here. It's there. So it's there. So I'm going to come here. I put back here my set open 3. As you see it's there. And I come, I put here now my 30%. Okay. And here maybe like 80 VH, okay? Okay. Something I'm looking for. Don't all my single images here. Come here and put this one, my single image. My single image is here. My single image is here. My single image is here. My single image is here, okay? Okay. Remember, as you can see, it looks like this, okay? It looks like this. So it's there. My single image is here. Okay. Okay. Same as you can see this one here as it is right now. When I come and tap here, for example, view details, it's there. View all images, it is there. Yeah. Now I say view a single image, the pop-up shows. Members, we have achieved what we want. But this is what they call modal stacking. Okay? This one you're seeing here. This one you're seeing here, members. This one you're seeing here. Are you seeing this? Yeah? Can I become a snippet and you see? I say you're new. Okay? Members, this one you're seeing here is what they call modal stacking. Are you seeing member? Are you seeing this member? Are you seeing members this? Yeah? And if I come and copy it, I say yeah, save as save as, then I come I put there example, okay, example. So my example is here. So members, I can even come and get it. Where is it? I think it has saved it here. Let me see. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's here. Okay, it is here. So I can even copy it and then I bring it here. I can copy it and I bring it inside my folder here. Okay. Okay. So let me first drag up and you see. So now this is where I come and I now explain to you very well. Okay. Okay. So members, as you can see here, when I come and now copy this one here and you see, let me come, I drag, I copy it, copy, and I bring it inside the browser. Okay. Okay, it's coming, it's coming. So members, what you are seeing, what you're witnessing here is what they call modal stacking. Okay? Modal stacking. Okay? Modal stacking. Now here someone sees that we are going to see modal stacking in action. It pop up, it looks like this. It looks like this. Okay? It looks like this. Members, are you seeing? Members, are you seeing this? Are you seeing members this? Are you seeing members this? Yeah? Members, are you seeing this? This is very, very, very bad. Okay? Very, very bad. Okay? You see this one? Then you close like this, then you close, then you close. Okay? Now you see this is just one card. But someone wants to see view details. Okay? Then they see the details. Then they see if you all images. Then another pop-up opens. Okay? Then they see. Then I say view a single image. Another pop-up opens. This is a very bad user experience. Okay? This is a very bad user experience. Okay? This is a very bad user experience. And someone cannot close all of them at the same time. Someone closes one by one, one by one, one by one. I see. Just for only one card. If this is a card for maybe a shoe, someone opens like this, then he sees all view details, okay? Then he sees view single image, like this. I see. This one is a very bad user experience, okay? This is a very bad user experience, okay? Okay, so let's go down and we see. And you see this, okay? Okay, so why is modal stacking bad? Why is modal stacking bad? Okay, why? Why is modal stacking bad? Okay, why is modal stacking bad? Okay, why is modal stacking bad? Members, this for to be a good developer, you should be knowing all these things on your fingertips as you're developing a site, as you're developing a system. Okay, as you're developing a site, as you're developing a system. Okay, okay. So members, why is modal stacking bad? Okay, it confuses users. It confuses users. One, it confuses users. It confuses users. Okay, confuses users. Okay, someone is using your site, but they are having a very bad user experience. Someone says, now you pop up on my in. You're seeing a layer in a layer in a layer in a layer, and there is darkness, and you're seeing, what is this? Just only one card, a shoe card, brings all these pop-ups here. Okay? So this one here confuses users. This is a very bad user experience. A very bad user experience. Okay? A very bad user experience. This is how it comes about. Okay? Someone uses your site and they begin cursing. The day they gave you the project, the day they gave you the money to build this project. Okay? Because someone enters a card in a card in a card in a pop-up in a pop-up in a pop-up in a pop-up. What is this? What is this, members? This is very bad. Being a good developer comes with the cost of knowing all these bad things, and you know how to tackle them, and you know how to solve them. Okay? This is very bad. This is very bad. Okay? This is very bad. I'm using this one as an example. But in time to come in the future, time memorial to come in the future, you are going to see. I'm going to have other examples where I'm not going to have, for example, images like this. I want to have other things, okay? And now you find yourself with something like 5 pop-ups, okay? 5 pop-ups, and you have something like this, okay? Okay, this is a very bad user experience, guys, okay? A very bad user experience, okay? Okay, so members, you have to look for all ways of solving this, okay? Okay, so step 2, why is this one bad? Why is this one bad? Okay, it's hard to close. Hard to close. Hard to close. Okay? Now imagine you are closing a pop-up. If there are 5, you can even suffer. Eh? You close, you close, you close. Are you seeing this? By the time someone comes from just one only one card, by the time a buyer, a potential buyer, a potential buyer on your site, on your website, or application, okay? By the time a potential buyer or a potential buyer or the user comes from your website or application, they are already mentally tired. Mentally tired. How can someone purchase a product then? Okay? This one is just a simple card. This one you're seeing here is just a simple card. So it can be like a shoe card, can be like a jacket card, can be like a bracelet card, can be like a pillow card, can be like a bed card. I use this one. It has an image of a bed, or an image of a shoe, an image of a jacket, an image of a coat there. But someone comes and types there, view details, view all images, view a single image. By the time someone comes from all of this, they are already mentally tired. This is a very bad user experience. Hard to close. You're seeing, members. You are seeing. You are seeing. Then there's another one here. You can maybe put here. Scroll gets blocked. Scroll gets blocked. Okay? Scroll gets blocked. Scroll gets blocked. Scroll gets blocked. So members, if someone is shopping, for example, other products, and this one they open, the scroll bar which comes normally here and here on the side will become blocked as a must. Okay, it will become blocked. Okay, blocked because of these purposes which are fixed. Okay, 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 okay. So members, you are seeing this. Okay. So another thing which I can maybe put here for here is the background goes too dark. Goes too dark. Okay, the background goes too dark. Okay, becomes too dark for someone to see. Now tell me, you see this one? You're seeing things which are the other side, as if you're in a layer. You see all this too dark. This is very bad, very bad. Then the last one I can maybe put here: the site feels broken. The site feels broken. Okay, the site, or the UI, or the UI of the website or the application feels broken. Okay? So members, by the time someone leaves your website, they are already mentally disgusted. Okay? They are already mentally disgusted. Are you seeing this? Bad, totally bad user experience. Okay? Very bad user experience. Even if someone painfully gives you the money to build for him a site, and you build something like this, they will never recommend you to anybody else because you successfully to just take their money for no good reason. Okay? Because of this bad thing you're seeing here. Okay? The site looks bad, looks broken. Eh? Someone says, look at what they built for me. Look at what they built for me. Very bad. Very, 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 very bad. Okay? Very bad. Okay? Okay. So members, try to, when you are being a good developer, to be a good developer requires you to know all those things. Okay? Because you know all those things. Because if you don't know this, you build for a client sometime to come. You know very well your back end, you know very well your front end, but these small mistakes here can make you broke. I see. These small mistakes here can make you broke. Someone who would have recommended you to more high paying clients refuses to recommend you because of this weird saga here. Okay? This is what they call model stacking. A model on a model, a model on a model, a model on another model, another model on another model, a model pop up on another model pop up like that. Okay? Okay? Okay. Members, if you like what we are covering right now, you can please hit the like button. Yeah, if you like it, they're going to push it to more and more people. Okay? Okay. And if you want to subscribe, please hit the notification icon and the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming classes. Okay? Okay. So members, we are now, this is a bad user experience you're seeing here, and you now have to look for a solution for this. Okay? Good developers don't run away from problems. They solve problems, okay? Okay. So now you have to look for a solution for this. A solution for this. A solution for this. A solution for this. Okay? Okay? Okay. So members, we are now going to now the next part. Okay? We're going to the next part. We're going to the next part. So members, as you see here, so members, as you see here, we're now going to the next part. Next part is how do we prevent model stacking? Okay? How do we prevent model stacking? Okay? How do we prevent model stacking? Is the next thing. Okay? Okay. So being a very good developer requires you to be knowing all these things at your fingertips. Okay? Okay. So members, how do you prevent model stacking is the next part. Okay? Okay. We have three ways of preventing model stacking. Three ways of preventing model stacking. And members, I want you to know all of them because I'm going to teach you all of them. I'm not going to teach you only one. I want to teach you all of them and you understand all of them. Okay? Okay? Okay. So I am going to teach you all of them so that in the future we just pick one and just go with that one. Don't get confused which one have you gone with. Okay? I'm going to teach you all of them. I'm not going to teach you only one. Okay? Okay. The first one we normally have is one here is close one model, close one model, close one model, close one model pop up. So members, close one model pop up, okay? Close one model pop up, okay? Close one model pop up, as you see here. Close one model pop up before opening, before opening, before opening, before opening another pop up, okay? Okay. So close one model pop up before opening another model pop up or another model pop up, okay? Another model pop up, okay? Okay. So the first step is the first way of preventing model stacking is close one model pop up before opening another model pop up, okay? Okay. So we have another one. Another one is the second step. Second step is okay. So just choose one which you can go with. Second one is use a single, use a single global model manager. Okay? Model manager. Okay? A single global model manager. Okay? Use a single global model manager. This is the second step. Okay? This is the second step. Okay? Okay. This is the second one. So you just choose which one you go with. Okay? Okay, but you need to know all of them because in the future you get confused somewhere. Okay? Okay. So we have the third one. The third one is use. Eh? You can use a single model pop-up, a single model pop-up, okay? Only one, only one, okay? Single model pop-up, okay? Then you just change. Then simply just change, okay? The content inside it. The content inside it, okay, depending on the particular case scenarios, okay, just like this, okay, so members, you need to know all these three, all of them, because in the future I can say we use only three, okay, I can maybe say we use only two, okay, or we use only one. So you need to know all of them on there, should be on your fingertips, okay? Okay, so we are going, okay? So members, I'm going to divide my project, this one you're seeing here, into three parts, okay? I'm going to divide my project into three parts. I want to show you how you're going to solve this problem in three situations, okay? I'm going to tell you how you're going to solve this problem in three situations, okay? In three situations, okay? So I'm going to come here, my project is here. It's here called practice project, okay? I'm going to divide it into three parts, okay? I'm going to have three copies of this project, okay? Three, just copy one, copy two, like that, and copy three, okay? And I show you how I'm going to solve this problem here in three ways, okay? So I'm going to come, I copy it in three ways, and you see. I come this project here, I copy, then I come there, I say Control V, okay? So I am copying this one here into three parts, okay? I'm going to show you how we're going to solve this problem in three situations. And members, please know them. I'm not going to teach you only one. I'll teach you all of the three, so that in the future, if I tell you we go with this one, just go with that one, okay? If we go with this one, you go with this one. If you go with this one, you go with that one, okay? So let us wait as it's copying. That's why it's copying here. It's copying. So I'm going to copy it into three. I have three copies. Then I show you how I'm going to solve this problem in three situations. Okay? So I'm copying. It's here. You're seeing it, eh? I want to copy and I get three copies. Then I teach you. Okay. So members, as you can see right now, I have three copies of my project, okay? I have this copy here, I have this copy, I have also this copy, okay? I have this copy, and this copy. 1, 2, 3, okay? And members, you can see, I want to teach you how we solve this problem here, of model stacking with all these three methods, okay? So I'm going to begin with the first method, this one you're seeing here, okay? This first method here, seeing here, okay? I'm going to begin with this one. So the first one is close one model pop-up before opening another model pop-up, okay? So this one I can maybe turn it to maybe like green, okay? And maybe see it very well, or like red, okay? But green, orange, can orange work? Okay, but maybe purple, let me see. Okay, this one can work, okay? So the first one is close one model pop-up before opening another model pop-up, okay? This is the first method, okay? So I'm going for this first method. So I come here, my VS Code is here. As you see, my VS Code is here. So I am going to target, the close the function which closes this model pop-up, okay? I'm going to target the function that closes this model pop-up, okay? And opens another model pop-up, okay? I'm going to come here. I target those functions, okay? So I'm going to come here on the model pop-up. For example, model pop-up 1, okay? Model pop-up 1, when I come here, I see here. That one was the third one. This one is now the second one. This one is the first one. Okay. So when I come, I tap here, for example, view details. Okay. The first one has no problem. That means this function here for this button here has no problem, okay? It has no problem, okay? Okay. Now this one here where I open another pop-up like this is one which has a problem, okay? Because it reveals for me the other pop-up which is behind here. So what do I have to do? I have to target this function here which opens this pop-up here, or this button here. This is button which is called view all images. This is button which is called view all images. When I click on this button like this, okay, this function which permits me to open this pop-up here, and then that remains at the back. I'm going to come and target that function, okay? Okay. So where is this button here? Where is this button here? View all images. View all images. I'm going to look for that button. What is it? I come here on the model pop-up here. You see the model pop-up? Okay? It is here. Okay? So it is there. So I'm going to come on this function here, which permits me to open a second what? Pop-up. I also see this function which is here. Okay? I'm going to come, I work on that function. Okay? So I'm going to come here up. Okay? I can come here, and I say here, function. I create a function, okay? I create a function. I come inside and I create a function. I say here function, okay? And I say function, okay? And I say function, the function is open. The function is open, second pop-up, okay? Is open the second pop-up, okay? Okay, open the second pop-up. Inside this function, open the second pop-up, okay? Inside this function here, inside this function called open the second pop-up here, that's what I'm going to do, okay? Okay, so it's like this. Okay, function open second pop-up. It's like this, okay? Okay, so inside this function here, I'm going to first close the first pop-up, okay? I'm going to first close the first pop-up, okay? Okay, so I'm going to come here, I say here, set open, and I say here, false, okay? Set open, false, okay? So this one here closes the first pop-up, okay? This one here closes the first pop-up, closes the first pop-up, okay? Then I put now the one which opens the second pop-up. The second pop-up is set open, open to true, okay? Set open true, okay? Just like this. This one here opens the second, pop-up, okay? The second pop-up, okay? Okay. So I call this function here. I call this function there on that button, okay? Okay. So I come on this button here, as you see here, instead of this, I remove this. Okay? Then I just put that one there. Just like this. Okay? Function open, second pop-up, okay? Just like that. So outside looks like it's coming. Okay, it's there. So like I say here, view details. Okay? Now this one here where it's open, the second pop-up, okay? You want what's going to happen? I tap on view all images. I tap on view all images. So the first one closes naturally and opens for me the second pop-up when the other has been closed automatically. Okay? 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 I hope members we understand what we are doing. I hope members we are understanding what we are doing. We put here a function very well to handle this. Okay? We put here a function very well to handle this. Okay? Okay. So members, let us move on. When I come now, my second pop-up is now open. I say my second pop-up is now open. Okay? My second pop-up is now open. Okay? My second pop-up is now open. Okay? Okay. So when I come and tap here, for example, view single image. Okay, you can see the other one is behind. That means it's still open, and this one here it still shows. Okay, this one now shows. Okay, the third pop-up now shows. Okay, so we're going to create a function to deal with this. We create a function to deal with this. Okay, a function to do what? To deal with this problem. Okay, 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 okay. A function to deal with this problem. When I come and tap on view single image, it should first close the other pop-up, the one which is behind, and it opens this pop-up. Okay, okay. Now let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. So I come here. I create here function. So this function here was for opening the second pop-up. Okay. So this other function I'm going to create here is function open, function open third pop-up. Okay. Function open third pop-up, third pop-up. Okay. Okay. So it's like this. So I open my function there very well as you see it there. Okay. And I come, I say here, but this function here is not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be on the other pop-up, or not on this pop-up here. It's supposed to be on this second pop-up because the button is on the second pop-up. You see when I come and do, for example, this, and I come, I open here, the button is on the second pop-up. Okay, second one. So I'm going to come on that second pop-up here. Are you seeing the second pop-up? I come here. Okay. Okay, so I come there and open like this. Okay, function open third pop-up. Okay, okay, and I come, I say here set open to false. Set open to false. False means close the second pop-up. Close the second pop-up. Okay, okay, so this one is that one. So and I come, I say here set open 3 true. Set open 3 true. Okay? Okay. This one here opens the second, the third opens the third, opens the third pop-up. The third pop-up. Okay? Okay. So it depends on which one you want, you go with that one. So I click on this one, I put that function, all of it. I bring that function, I put it there. Okay, so instead of this one here, I put the function there, all of it. Okay, open third. When you click on this button, open third pop-up. Okay, okay. After doing this, I'm going to come and see what happens. So it's loading, So I'm not right now, I'm on the second pop-up. Okay, okay. So view single image. Okay, view single image. This one's going to open for me the third pop-up. Okay, okay. Okay, so I can tap on this button here, like this. So it has eliminated the data which is behind. Okay? 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 Okay. So it has eliminated the one which is behind. Okay? So when I come and do, for example, X, okay? When I come and say view details, okay? The details are here. View in all images. Okay? Now I'm on it gives me only one pop-up. Are you see? And I come and say I view a single image, one image. Are you seeing, members? Wow, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Okay? Okay? Okay. So, members, I hope that you have understood this. I hope you have understood this. Okay? Okay. But right now, when someone enters, for example, a pop-up like this, I want to put here a button to take him back. Okay? A button to take him back. Okay? Button to take him back, and also the X. Okay? Button to take him back to where he has come from. Okay? Okay. Even when you come here, for example, view images, someone would wish to go back on the previous pop-up, but they cannot go back. Okay? So you take here, put here a button to take him back on the previous pop-up. Okay? Okay. So let us work on that one that we see. Let us work on that one that we see. So I have here, for example, my model pop-up here. He's here. So I'm going to come here at the end here. You see here at the end. Okay? I'm going to come here before this one here. Okay? I'm going to come and I put there a button to what? A button to take someone back. A button to take someone back. Okay? A button, this button take someone back. Okay? back or previously, okay, or the previous a pop-up he was on, okay, so it becomes more conducive, okay. So I put the button here. I can maybe come and copy this one here as it is. I come and copy all this one as it is, okay. Then I just copy it and I just change what is inside. So I come and copy, I put this one here, okay. So here I'm going to change the function. I want to change the function there. I want to come and put this one here. View. This one is going to be maybe arrow left. Okay. Arrow like maybe big arrow left. Big arrow left. Big arrow left. And I come and say yeah back. Go backwards. Go back. Okay. Go back just like this. Okay. Okay. Let me first say it looks like. So it's asking me to work on the function, okay? The function. This one here is going to, I want to put the function here is going to be set open. You remember in the first pop-up, okay? Set open. No. Then I put an arrow function, and I say here is equal to like this. Then I come and say here set open. Set open. As you see, set open. Then I come and say here false, okay? Set open, false, okay? Okay, take someone back, okay? Okay. So let me see how it looks like. And this overall content that you are seeing here, I'm going to come and I put there. I'm going to come and I put there. I'm going to come on this overall container and I put there some bit of justify. Instead of justify, and let me just put there justify between, okay? Between, justify between, okay? Okay, instead of justify a. So let me say it's going to look like. It's coming, okay? It's there. So it's there, okay? Okay. So it's coming, it's there. So then I tap on this one here, view details, okay? It tells me here, go back. Are you seeing? Here they bring for me low rem, very well, everything is there, okay? Low rem, everything is there as you see it there, okay? Everything is there very well. So you can either choose to put here X, okay? Or you can choose to just say go back, okay? Okay. So when I come and do here go back, this one is for closing the pop-up for this first one, okay? Okay. So when I come and say view all images, okay? View all images. So you see all the images are here of that description, okay? Okay. But now also on this one here, I'm going to put also a button to take me back. Also want to put a button to take me back, okay? Okay. I just come and I copy this button here, which I've already made here. Okay? Let's come and copy all of it. And I just change the function. I just come and copy all of it and I just change the function, okay? Okay. On this second pop-up, I use this second model here. Okay? I just come and put it there. Very well as you see it there. Okay? And I just change the function. I can just come here and say set open to. Then I say here maybe false. Maybe set open to, and I come and say here set open to maybe for no. I come and look at this very well. If you come and say here set open to false, it's going to cross the pop-up, okay? It's going to cross the pop-up, okay? Okay. Watch out what you're going to do. Watch out what you're going to do. And I come on this one here. I come and put here justify also between. Okay? Come and say justify also between. Okay? Okay. So remember, you watch what I'm going to do very well. Some logic. So on this second pop-up here, when I say go back, it's not supposed to close the pop-up. It's supposed to take me on the first pop-up, okay? Okay. When I come and say here, view all images, okay? I see all the images here, okay? So when I come and say here, go back, it's not supposed to close. It's supposed to take me on the other one where there was description, okay? So incidentally, it's supposed to open the first pop-up, okay? It's supposed to open the first pop-up, okay? Okay. So when I come and tap here, go back, it's supposed to open the first pop-up, not to close. So I just change that function. I say here set open. I say here set open. True, not false. True. Okay? Some logic needs to be applied here. So I come here. See, you're showing me here that there is no any set open. a declaration. So I come, I also put the set open declaration there. Okay, come on, I put the set open declaration there. Set open, okay, set open very well. It's there. Set open, I put it there. Then I come and I put also, I just copy this one. I just copy all of this, okay. Then I put it there. I put it there. Set open just like this, okay. Okay, just like that. So when I come on the page here, I can come and I put this one here. Set open. Come and I put this one here. Set open. Set open. Okay. Is equal to set open. Is equal to set open. Just like this. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Okay. Same as it looks very good as you can see it there. Looks very, very good. Same as when I come, I do for example like this. When I come now like this and I say view details. View details. Okay. Now, okay, it is here, it is here, it is here. When I come and say view details, okay, I see the details very well. Then I can even go back, okay? That one. So when I come and say view all images, okay? View for me all my images here, okay? Then I can choose to go back. So when I say here go back, it takes me on the first pop-up. On the first pop-up, okay? Okay. So it takes me on the first one. Now, members, you should be very, 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 very sensitive about all this, okay. Should be very sensitive about all this, okay. Okay, so as you're seeing what is happening here, you're seeing what is happening here, okay. On the second pop-up here, you're seeing what is happening here. So when I come here, you're seeing this function here. You see this function here, yeah? Take me back on the first pop-up, okay. Take me back or previously to the first pop-up, okay. The first pop-up, okay. Okay, so in this second one here, so I'm going to, instead of this one, I'm going to create a function to first close the second pop-up and open the first pop-up, okay. Okay, I'm going to come on that one. I come here, I say here function. Now this one is a different function. This one here, this function here, this function here opens. This one here opens the first pop-up. Okay? This one here opens the first pop-up. This function here, this function here, opens the first pop-up. The first pop-up. Okay? Okay. So to open the first pop-up, I am going to first close the second one. I say set open true, okay, false, okay. Then I set open to false, okay. Then I come here. This one is for closing the second pop-up, okay. Second pop-up, okay. Second pop-up, okay. Then I come here and I now finally set open true. So here opens the first pop-up. So here opens the first pop-up. So here opens the first pop-up. Okay? So here opens the first pop-up. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come and grab all this function as you see it here. Okay? So I bring it here. I bring it here. Okay? I bring it here. I put instead of this one here, I put it there. Okay? Okay. We're on model 2, remember, on model 2. Okay? Open the first pop-up. So opening this first pop-up, you first close the one cam on the second pop-up, then you open the first pop-up. Okay? Okay? Okay. So let us see. When I come here, it's loading. Okay. So when I come and do, for example, view details, okay, I go back, it's okay. This one is good. When I come, I say here view details, then I bring for me this pop-up, and I say here view all images, all my images are here. And I go back, okay, it happens very well. Wow. Wow, there's no modal stacking at all. Wow. Wow. So when I come and do, for example, view images, I see all the images are here. When I come and say go back, it takes me to the pop-up which is here. Okay? Pop-up which is there. Okay? When I say I go back, it closes. Okay? So when I come and say view details, and I say view all images, they bring me all the images there. And I come and say view a single image. Now I want to put here now run for go back here. Take me back on the second pop-up. You understand now, members? Take me back on the second pop-up because there is no any direction for someone. If someone has to go back, what can he do? Okay? Take him back on the second pop-up. Okay? Okay. So let's work on that, on the third image, on the third pop-up. I come here on the button. Where is the button? It's here. Okay? So I remember I had commented here. I had commented here. Okay? I had commented here. Okay? Okay. So I just want to come and grab this one. I don't want to overwaste time. Let's come and grab all of this one as you see it here. I already worked on this button long time ago. Just want to come here and I just change a little bit a few things, okay? Okay. So I put it on the third pop-up as you see it here. I come and bring it inside here. Okay? I bring it inside there. Okay? Okay. So members, as you see here, I'm going this one here, seeing here. This one you're seeing here is going, this one is supposed to take me back on the second pop-up. On the what? Second pop-up, okay? Okay, so that's what we are going to work on. So I'm going to come here, I create a function. So here you're seeing I don't have even set open 2. I don't even have set open 2, okay? So I'm going to come here on my page and I send here set open 2. I send it there very well, like you see this one which is here. And even just come, I copy it, I send it as a prop inside there. So I send it as a prop. I come here, I send it inside there as a prop, okay? Okay. So I come here in my model pop-up 3 here, I put it there. I come, I say here set open 2, set open 2, okay? Set open 2. Then I come, I just maybe diverse this one here. I can just copy, then I put there like this, okay? Just like this. And this one here becomes set open 2, okay? Just like this, okay? Okay, just like that. So we're having set open 2 there. So this one here is supposed, this function here, this function you're seeing here, we're going to create is function. It's called function open. Function open. Function open. Second pop-up. Second pop-up. Okay? Function open second pop-up. So to open the second pop-up, from the third one, okay? Remember, these ones they differ from the other ones which I've been doing. So here specifically for the third one, okay? Okay. So I come, I put down the function very well, okay? And I say here, you're going to first close the third one. So I come, I say here set open 3, okay? False, okay? This one here closes the third pop-up, okay? Then we have now, this one here now opens the second pop-up, set open 2. Then this one is true, okay? This one here opens the second pop-up. This one here now opens the second pop-up, okay? Okay. So I must understand this one. I come, I copy this one here and I put it there. Come and I put it inside this function here, okay? Come and I put it inside this function here, okay? Okay. So let me see how it looks like. It's coming. So then I come and say here, view details, okay? View all images. Then I come and say here, view a single image. So there is go back. This one doesn't look good. I want to put it here. I want to put it here. I want to put it here, okay? I want to put it here, not where it is right now. Let's work on that one. So let me add this one to be like about like 60. Then I come here, I make this one justify start, okay? Justify start, that overall container, okay? So that's here, it's going to come here, okay? It's going to come here, okay? Okay. So now when I come, I tap on this one here, go back. There are different buttons, members, don't confuse them. These are different buttons, okay? Okay. Then I come and tap here, for example, go back. Takes me to the second pop-up. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. When I come and tap here, view single image, it's there. Okay? When I come and tap here, go back. Okay? When I come and tap here, view single image, it's there. If I come and tap here, X I don't want, yeah, it closes. Okay? When I come and tap here, view details, okay? When I come and say here, view images, it gives me view images very well. When I come and tap here, view single image, okay? View single image, it gives me a single image, okay? When I come and say go back, yeah? When I come and say here, even go back on the details I see, wow. Wow, guys, wow. Wow, you have completed the first step, okay? You members, you can even decide to go with this one alone if you want. View images, view single image, okay? When I say you go back, then I say you go back, but you understand the logic which is behind each and every pop-up, okay? 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 Okay. So you understand each and every image that each and every logic that is behind each and every pop-up. Okay? View single image, okay? Then I come, I say here, go back like this. Go back. If you don't want, you can just press X and all of it goes. But there is no model stacking which affects the UI. Okay? Okay. So this one here, you have completed the first step. Okay, this one here. Close one model before opening another model pop-up. Wow. Guys, members, you can have completed this one here. This one is wow. This one is wow. Okay? Okay. So members, congratulations on completing the first one. You can go with this one here. It's okay. But members, you need to become a very good developer. You need to know all of them. Okay? I don't want to just end on only this one. Okay? Okay. So this one here, just know it. You can decide to go with this one here. It's okay. It's okay. Okay? It's okay on this side. Okay? Okay. So, it's okay. You can go with this one here if you want. But we are learning. We are learning. I'm not teaching you to just learn only one. I'm teaching you to learn all of them. Okay? Teaching you to learn all of them and you'll be super good. Okay? Super good. Okay? Okay. So this one here, we are comparing this one. It's good. This one here is okay. Sometimes we are now going to the next one. Next one is this one here. Okay? Use a single global manager. Use a single global manager. Okay? Use a single global manager. This one is the next one we are working on. Okay? This one is the next one we are working on. Use a single global manager. And this one I'm going to make it like green. Okay? Use a single global manager. Okay? Okay. So members, how to prevent model stacking? Model stacking. We are now using this second method. Okay? Okay. This one is what we're going to look at. So remember, this one I can even this one is wow, this one is wow. Can say here go back, okay? Can even come here, say here view single image, okay? Go back like this, it's okay. Everything is good. So as I'm going to close this project and I open now next copy. Remember, I copied this one into three, I copied it into three parts, okay? Copied it into three parts, okay? Okay. So I'm going to close this one and I open now another one. I'm going to close that one. Remember, I'm going to close that one and I open a new, the other which I copied. Okay? Okay. So members, it's okay now. So let me close this one here. Okay? And I open now another one that I copied. Okay? So that I can put it aside. You can go with that one if you want. Okay? So now I want to teach you the second one. I'm going to now come and teach you the second one. Okay? Okay. So I come and say here open with code. Open with code. Open with code. Open with code. So where we copied from the other project where we ended is where we are going to start from. Okay? Where is where we're going to start from. Okay? Okay. So I come I open here my terminal very well. I open my terminal very well as you can see. I open my terminal very well as you can see. So members, I'm opening now my terminal. Okay? Okay. So I come I say here npm run div. npm run div. Okay? Okay, so it loads very well. It loads very well. Okay, it's loading. So remember where we ended. Remember where we ended is where I'm going to begin from. Okay, where we ended is where I'm going to begin from. Okay, okay. So it's reloading. It's reloading. So yeah, members, as you can see, we are now on the next on our copy of our project. Okay. Okay, remember I copied where I copied from is where I started from, okay? Okay, then I come here view details, then I come here say view all images, Then I come, I say here, view single image. This is the copy I made, okay? It's the copy I made. Now this is another second copy. I'm going to teach you how we solve this problem, okay? I'm going to teach you how we solve this problem, okay? Okay. So members, this one here we're going to use a single model component, okay? This one here we are going to use a single global model manager, a single global manager, okay? We're going to use a single global manager. This one, a single global manager, okay? Okay. So how are you going to do this? I'm going to come here. And you can see my model pop-up is here. My model pop-up is here very well, as you can see. Okay? Then here my page.tsx is here. It is here very well. Okay? So there are my three models as you see them here. Okay? Okay. So members, we are going to use a single global model manager. A single global model manager. Instead of having three pop-ups like this. Okay? We are going to use one single global, a single state. A single state, not instead of three like this. I'm going to have only one state to manage all of them. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. It's going to be a little bit different from how we have been doing it. Okay? Okay. So members, you watch how I'm going to do it. I'm going to have here, for example, model pop-up 1. This one is model pop-up 1, as you see it there. Model pop-up just like that. Then you have here model pop-up 2. As you see, model pop-up 2 is there. Then we have here model pop-up 3. Okay? Okay, it's there also. So, and remember, we are having model stacking on our pop-ups, okay? Okay. So we are having this one, model stacking is there. Very, very, very bad. Very, very bad. View details. Yeah? View details. Then here, view all images, model stacking, view single image, bad UI, very poor interface, okay? Okay. So I want to solve this. I want to solve this using the second method. Okay? Okay. Use a single global manager, okay? Okay. Global manager means a single state, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here on my page.tsx here. Yeah? Instead of this one you're seeing here, instead of this one here, instead of that one you're seeing there, okay? Instead of that one you're seeing there, I'm going to create a single state to manage for me all that, okay? I'm going to create a single state to manage for me all that. Okay? Okay. So as you watch what I'm going to do very, very well, and you see, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here, I put here, for example, instead of this one, I can even comment and I come here, I put, for example, const. Okay? Const. Okay? And I come, I put here the box brackets as you see them there. Okay? Then I come, I say here, model pop-up. Model pop-up. Okay? I come, I put here, maybe I may just put here, like, okay, let me just say, let me just use only the word pop-up. Const pop-up, okay? Const pop-up, okay? Then I come, I say here, set pop-up, okay? Then I come, I say is equal to use state, okay? Then this time round, I'm going to make, if it's not there, if the pop-up is not there, it is null, okay? Okay? This one here, the pop-up is, if the pop-up is not there, it will be null, not false like the way it has been. It's going to be null. We're going to use only one state managing everything. Okay? One state managing everything, okay? Okay. If the pop-up is not there, it will be null. Okay? Okay. So members, I come here, as you can see. So, meaning that it's going to be, this one here, this pop-up you're going to see here, it's going to be either a string, I can make it either a string, or I can make it either, if I see the pop-up is going to be like this. And members, let me explain to you. The pop-up is going to be, the pop-up, you're going to see the pop-up is going to be either any of these. of this. You can make it a number, you can make it a string, anything you want. But I'm going to make it a string. It can be any of these. It can be either any of these, okay? Okay. It can be can be can be can be pop can be pop up one, pop up one, okay? Just like this, okay? And it can be either pop up, can be pop up, no pop up one, it can be pop up one, it can be pop up two, pop up, pop up one, okay? It can be either pop up, can also be pop up two, okay? These ones are just strings, okay? It can be either pop up three, it can be pop up three, it can be pop up three, okay? Okay, just like this. If it's not any of these ones, if they're like 5, you also put 5 there, okay? Okay. If it's not any of these ones, it will be null. It will be null. If it's not any of this, if it is not, if it is not, if it is not, if it is not any of this, eh? It will be, if it is not any of this, it will be null, or it will not be any pop-up, okay? Null means no pop-up at all or nothing, okay? Okay, so my pop can be like this, can be either a number, it can be a string, any, depending on what you want, okay? Okay, so as you can see, it's like this. So members, I'm putting now a global, this is what they call a global state. This is what they call now a global state. A global state manager, a global state manager. State to manage, global state to manage all the pop-ups. All the pop-ups. A global state to manage all the pop-ups. Okay? Okay. So we know very well that model pop-up 1 is this one, model pop-up this one is 1. Okay? Model one is model pop-up 2, this one is model pop-up 3. You're seeing this one here. Okay? It's this one here. Okay? Okay. So members, you can see model pop-up 1. Let me just maybe make this one a little bit simplified. Let me just rename and I make it 1. Because this one here is going to confuse people. Remember that it doesn't have anything. Okay? Okay. Model pop-up 1. Model pop-up 1. Just like this, okay? Okay. So, even here, model pop-up, even this one here, model pop-up 1. Model pop-up 1. So, just like that. So, I hope it doesn't confuse people. I've just changed this one alone. Just this one alone. Model pop-up 1. Just like this. So, I hope it doesn't confuse people. So, I'm seeing another error. I'm seeing errors coming. I see errors coming everywhere. So, I've just changed only one thing. Cannot find name set open. Okay, I understand what is happening there. Okay, okay. So members, I understand what is happening there. So members, we ask a global state to manage all the pop-ups. Okay, a global state to manage all the pop-ups. Okay, okay. So here I'll put here a global state to manage pop-up 1, pop-up and set pop-up. Okay, okay. And if it's not there, it will be null. Okay, okay. Since this one is going to be a string. It's going to be a string, and this one a string, and this one a string. So here my types here are going to be, types there are going to be either a string or null. Okay? Either a string or null. Okay? So it will either be a string, this one here, this one here, this one here, or it will be null. You understand, members? Okay. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to come here, my card here, okay? And my card here is going to be set pop-up. Instead of set open, it's going to be set pop-up. Set pop-up. Okay? Set pop-up is going to be set pop-up. Set pop-up. Okay? As you see it here. Set pop-up like this, okay? Okay. Then set pop-up, I come in my card. Where is my card? .tsx, it's there. Okay, it is there. So I'm going to come here, I say here set pop-up. Set pop-up. Set pop-up. Set pop-up. Okay? Just like this. And also here, set pop-up. Set pop-up. Just like that. Okay? Okay. Now this one here is going to change. This type is going to change. This type we have been using here is going to change. Okay? It's going to change. Okay? Okay. So when you come here and I hover, for example, here on set pop-up, they bring for me another type. This is the another type they bring for me. React to this part, React to set action, string or null. String or null. Okay? Okay? Okay. So I come and copy that one and I bring it now. I now bring it here. I now bring it here. I now bring it here. On my card, I come and I bring it here. Okay, I bring it there. Okay, on now. So when I come here on my instead of set on click instead of set open, I say there set pop up. Set pop up true. Or set instead of set pop up true instead of set pop up true. I now put the pop up, the actual pop up which I expect. Okay. Instead of set pop up true, I expect which pop up do I need to open here? Open the pop up one. Button to open my pop-up. The first button is only for visitors. It's opening pop-up 1. Okay? It's opening pop-up 1. And here you can see here, it's opening pop-up 1. You see pop-up 1 here? So I come and bring my pop-up 1 there. It's opening pop-up 1, which is a string. Okay? Okay? Okay. Just like that. So when I come here, on my card here, I say here open. Okay? They bring for me here open. So this one is instead of open, it's going to be pop up. I want to say here conditional rendering. I want to say here pop up. If pop up here is equal to pop up 1. Okay? It's equal to pop up 1. Okay? If pop up is equal to pop up 1, okay? Then show this conditional rendering. Conditional rendering. Okay? Conditional rendering. If pop-up is equal to pop-up 1, show this. Okay? Model pop-up 1. It's model pop-up 1. Show this one. Okay? Okay. So this one, I'm also going to change this one. Instead of this, I can remove all this now. Move all of that. Move all of that. And I just put there set pop-up. Set pop-up. Set pop-up. Set pop-up. When I come, I say here set pop-up is equal to set pop-up is equal to set pop-up like this, okay? Just like this. So I come there. We are going now in model pop-up 1, okay? Model pop-up 1. So it's here. Instead of this now, I want to change all of this. I can even just come and remove all of this. Okay? I can even just come and copy all of this. So the one you're seeing on the card is the same exact one I'm going to use. This one you're seeing here, okay? This one I'm going to use on the same card. This one I'm going to use. So I come and put it there on my model pop-up. Come I put it there very well, okay? Come I put it there very well, okay? Very well, okay? Okay. So remember this one I'm going to use. This one you're going to use there, okay? Okay. So remember you can see it there. So when I come I say here I come I say here. So where you see follows here, I want to put there null. Where there is X, null means it don't show anything, okay? Or don't show any pop-up, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come and put there set pop-up. Set pop-up, and I come and put there null. And I come and put there null. Okay? I come and put there null. Okay? Okay. So this one here is opening which pop-up? This one is opening 2. It's opening 2. This one is opening 2. You're seeing this one? It's opening 2. Okay? Okay. So this one is opening 2. So what you can do, you come and put there set pop-up. Set pop-up. And I come and put there, it's opening 2. I come now here on my pop-up here. So we have options here. Our options are pop-up 2. It's opening pop-up 2, okay? Okay. So I come, I drag it, I bring it there. I put it there. Okay? Set pop-up 2. Okay? Okay. So after doing this, at the moment, you will see that everything will be good, okay? Okay. So now a pop-up 2 is here, okay? pop-up 2 is here, okay? Okay, so we're going to come here. Instead of this one, I'm going to come and put there. I just want to, let me just copy all of this, okay? And I put there pop-up 2. Instead of this open 2, I now put there. If pop-up is equal to pop-up 2, it's equal to pop-up 2, okay? If it's equal to pop-up 2, okay? Then you put there set pop-up. Then even you just get all of this, okay? Just get all of this. You see all of this, okay? Then just put all of this here, okay? On set pop-up 2, okay? Okay. So I'm going to first comment the third one and we see where we are heading to, okay? First comment the third one and we see where we are heading to. So right now you will see set pop-up is here, okay? So I'm going to come and recopy all of this one the way it is up here, okay? The way it is here. I bring it in what? In the second pop-up, okay? Instead of this one here, as you see it there, okay? I'm going to come and put this one there, okay? Set pop-up. Then I come here, this one is false, okay? I just come and say here set pop-up, then I come and put there null. Then I come and put there null, okay? Then I put there null, okay? I put there null, okay? Then I come, this one here is going to be now set pop-up, set pop-up. Then I come and put this one here as 3, pop-up 3, okay? So when I come on my page here, the one was which one? Pop-up 3, okay? Pop-up 3, okay? Okay. So I come and bring it here. I put it there very well, okay? Pop-up 3. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just like that. Wow, just like that. Just like that. So members, you are becoming a very good developer at this moment, okay? Okay. So members, let us see where we are right now. So when I come and do here, for example, view details, they bring for me the details page very well, okay? Okay? You're seeing this. So when I come and do it, I say here, view all images, bring for me the images pop-up, okay? Okay? So when I come and say here, view single image, of course, I wanted to work on the third pop-up, okay? Let us work on the third pop-up and you see. At least right now you can see. You can now see where we are heading to, okay? Okay. So, I come down and work on the third pop-up. Come and work on the third pop-up, okay? Okay. And now on the third pop-up here as you see. It's there. So, I come and work on this one. I say if pop-up is equal to pop-up 3. If pop-up is equal to pop-up 3. Okay, and show model pop-up 3, okay? So this one is pop-up 3. Pop-up 3, okay? And show this one here. Conditional rendering. Conditional rendering, okay? Okay. So I'm just going to come, I get this one, set pop-up, as you see it there. And I just put it there. Instead of this set open like this 3, just put this one there very well, okay? Okay. So I just want to come and borrow this one here as you see it there. It's the same thing we did. I come and put it in my model pop-up 3 here, okay? Come and I put my model pop-up 3 here, and I put it there, okay? Okay, so it's there, as you see it there. So I'm going to come here, I put here on click X, I come and put there set pop-up, set pop-up, and I come and put there, set pop-up, and I put there, false, this one is I put there null, okay? And I come, I put there is no any other thing here we're putting, okay? Okay. So as you can see, it looks very good as you can see it there. Looks very good. So, members at the moment, in time. So if you come and say here, view details, okay? Then I come and say here, view all images. Takes me to the second pop-up, okay? Then I come and say here, view single images. But there is no model stacking at all, okay? There is no model stacking at all, okay? 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 Okay. I was understanding very well. I was understanding very, very well. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to put the other buttons which normally take me back. The other buttons which normally take me back and bring me back. Okay? Okay. So I'm just going to come here. Let me come on this model pop-up one. And we see how also it is done. And we see how also it is done. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come with this one here we are seeing here. I'm just going to come, I copy like this one here. Okay? It's going to view all images. I come here. and I put now this one. The button to take me backwards. The button to take me backwards. You can even come and label it here. The button to take me backwards. Button take me backwards. Okay. Okay. Go back. It's for go back. Okay. Okay. So right now, when you look at this first pop-up here, we're on pop-up 1. When I come and say go back, there is no way, no other pop-up I'm going to. That means I can just put there close, a close button, okay? Okay. So instead of this one here, I can put there go back, okay? I can just come and put there, you know, what was our icon here? We had here an icon. It was a very unique icon we had there. Which icon do we have there? Arrow, it's called what? Arrow big left, arrow big left, okay? Arrow big left like that, okay? From Lucid icons, okay? Okay. So it was like that. So let me see how it looks like. So when I come, I say here, view details. Okay, it is here. So I've able to put justify between. Okay, justify between. Okay. So when I say justify between, it goes at the on the end here. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay. So when I come, I say here go back. It should be closing the what? It should be closing the pop-up. Okay. So when I come, I say here go this one here. I come, I say here. So instead pop-up, I come, I put there null. Okay. Close the pop-up. Okay. Same as this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So when I come, I say here view details. Okay. And I come, I say here go back. Close the pop-up. Okay. So there are two buttons now to close. There's this one go back. There's also this one here for X. Okay. So when I come, I say here go view images. Now I'm going back on the second one. Second one you're seeing here. Okay. But the second one you're seeing me takes me to the first pop-up. Okay. Pop-up 1. Okay. So I'm going to come and just copy all of this. I'm not going to waste time. I take it on the second one. I put it here. Okay. I put it there very well. Okay. Also this one has arrow big left. Okay. Just like that. So this one here is going to take me to the first pop-up. Takes me backwards to the first pop-up. The first pop-up. Okay. So this one, instead of putting null to close it, I'm going to put there pop-up 1. I must understand. Okay. Pop-up 1 comes from here. Pop-up 1 comes from here. Okay. Pop-up 1. Okay. So I come on the second one here and I put there pop-up 1. Just as simple as this. As simple and precise as that. Okay. So you can see it goes here. So it comes here. So it justify between. So justify and I put there justify between. Okay. Justify between. Just like that. So in answer it looks like this. Okay. So like I say, I go back the first one, but there is no modal stacking. Okay. So like I say, I go back, closes. Like I say, I view details. I say I go back, and I come, I say I view details, and I come, I say X. Okay. When I come, I say I view details, and I come, I say view all images. All images appear here. When I say go back, takes me to the first one. Wow, guys! Wow, guys! Wow. So let us continue. I come, I say view images. I come, I say view single image. Okay. Now view single image. We also want to work on this one here, but this one here takes me back to the second pop-up. To the what? To the second pop-up. To the what? The second pop-up. Okay. So let's come here on the. So let us come here on the third pop-up here and we see. The third pop-up is here. So I didn't even commented this one. Okay. Okay, someone come, I put this one here. What is this one? I just want to copy. I just want to copy and I don't want to repeat everything. So I come on this one, I put it here. Okay, I put it there very well, as you can see. Maybe this one I can maybe put like 50 VH, 50 VH is there. It's there very well. So maybe this one maybe I can put like maybe 60 VH. 60 VH, okay? Push it at the end, okay? 60 VH, and I put this button there, okay? Another big left, okay? Okay. So let me see how it looks like. Inside it looks like it's coming, it is here, okay? But I want to put it here. You come always the go back button is on the left, okay? Okay? Where's the go back button goes this on the left, okay? Okay. Where's the go back button is on the left, okay? Okay. So let's look at that. Go it is on the left. And this one here takes me to the second pop-up. Go backwards to the second pop-up. The second pop-up. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to come here. Instead of now you're seeing here, I'm going to come here and I put now this one here seeing pop-up true. Because this one takes me to the second pop-up. We're on the third one, members, okay? Okay. So it takes me to the second pop-up, okay? Okay. So I can put it here very well, as you can see. It's there, okay? Okay. So members, as you can see, it's like that. So, as you can see, and even here, I put here justify, instead of justify between, I put this one justify start, okay? Justify start, okay? Justify start, just like this, okay? Okay, so it comes here at the beginning, okay? Okay, so as you watch what is going to happen, I come here very well, I go back. Wow, 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 wow. So, even if I come and say here X, we're having no model stacking at all. We're having no model stacking at all. I come here and do view details. All the details are here. I see view all images. I know there will be like one image. I see here view all images. I can even first go back to close it. So I come here, I say here view details. I come, I say here view all images. Okay, all my images are here. There's no model stacking at all. Okay? Okay. And I come, I say here go back. I go now on the second pop-up. Okay? Okay. And I come, I say here view all images. And I come, I say here now view a single image. Okay? The single image is here. Then I come, I say here go back, I go back. Then I go here, go back, I go back on the first one. View all images. So I am migrating between the pop-ups, okay? When I just come, I say here X equals that once. Okay? 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 Okay. Members, you have understood this. I hope members have understood this, okay? Okay. If you like this, please hit the like button, okay? Okay. So I hope members have understood. That's what which I explaining was the second method. Use a single global manager. Okay? We're using the single global manager. Okay? We were using a single global manager. Here we don't need to put this. This one is not necessary. Okay? You don't need to put multiple states. Okay? You only need only one state. You only need only one state, and that state is this one here. Okay? Okay. Then we just bring everything. Then we put everything like this. Card is equal to set pop-up like that. And pop-up is equal to pop-up 1. Okay? Just seeing pop-up 2, pop-up 3, just like that. Okay? Okay. Members have understood very well this second method. Members have understood very well this second method. I am teaching you all these methods because in the future, I'm not going to neglect. I'll just say we are using 2. Okay? I just say we are using 2. I am as if we have been practicing. You will be lost in the sky. Okay? 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 I am putting all these methods for you to practice them and use them very well. If you don't practice, I'll just come and say we are using 3. I'm not going to care whether someone is very good at this one. This one is for a beginner. May I say we are using 3. All of them, they have their advantages and disadvantages. Okay? There is a reason why I'll decide to use 3 and I don't use 1. Eh? And there's a reason where I will decide to use 2 and I don't use 3. And there's a reason where I will start to use 3 and I use 1. There are various pop-ups I taught you yesterday. Very many pop-ups I taught you yesterday. All of them here, they require this one. Some of them are compatible with this. Some of them are compatible with this. Some of them are compatible with this. Depending on the type of pop-up. Okay? That's why I'm laboring to explain for you all these three methods. Okay? Okay. If you fail to understand even one of them, you will be doomed. Okay? You will be doomed. Okay? Please practice, 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 practice. Okay? Okay. Same as now we're going to the third one. This one you're seeing here. Here. The third one. The third one you're seeing here is use a single modal pop-up. Only one single modal pop-up, not even three, but only one. Then just simply change the content inside it. Okay? Okay? Use a single modal pop-up. Then just simply change the content inside it. Can you make this one? Maybe, which color can I give this one? Red can red work for me? Maybe brown. Brown can work, maybe blue. Can blue work for me? Maybe brown. Brown can work for me. Okay? Brown can work for me. So members, this one here goes like use a single model pop-up. Okay? Then simply change the content inside it. Okay? Okay. So let me even make them black. So that someone, instead of these colors here, someone really sees them. One is done. So now we have here, this one is also done. Okay? Now we are on this one here. This one. Okay? So now you're on the third one here. Use a single model pop-up. Then simply change the content inside it. Okay? Okay? Okay. We are going for that one. I know members, you have understood this one very well. You have understood members this very well. This one is the second method. Okay? I members, you have understood this one very well, okay? This one is the second method, okay? Okay. So members, we are done with that one. We're now going for the second method, okay? The last method. So I can maybe close this one. So I'm going now for the third method, okay? I'm now going for the third method, okay? Okay. So this one I can maybe put it here, okay? Now I'm going for the third method, this one here. So I can come and say here, open with VS Code, open with the VS Code, okay? Open with VS Code, okay? Okay. So we are now here on the third project, okay, which I copied, okay? Okay. Same as I copied this one here, and you can see it. I copied from another place where we ended from, where we had model stacking, okay? Okay. That's where I copied that project, okay? Okay. Remember when I copied, I told you I made three copies. The first one, the second one, and the third one, okay? Okay. So my page is here. Right now my page is here, as you can see. My page is here. So I have here my components here, they are here. My model pop-up is here, the card.tsx is there, model pop-up 1 is there, model pop-up 2 is there, and model pop-up 3 is there. Okay? Okay, they are all there. Okay? Okay. So members, as you can see, they are all here. Okay? So, what is next? We are going to now use the third model, the third system, okay? Third system of doing things. Let me first come here, I load very well, and you see. I say here, I come to the terminal, and I say there, npm run dev, and then we see what our project contains, okay? Okay. Come here and say here, npm run dev, npm run dev, okay? Okay. So, I come there very well. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming. Okay, it's coming. Okay, so it's coming very well. Give it some time. So even if I refresh now the local host, even if I refresh the local host, you're going to see. Okay, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Let's give it some time. So this one is a copy of the other one, which where there was model stacking, okay? And right now we are solving model stacking, okay? Okay. So right now my project is here. Where we copied it from? I had here, for example, view details, view all images, and view single image. This weird broken UI, okay? This weird broken UI, okay? Okay. So this is where we ended on the when I was copying, okay? Okay. So now we are going to solve it using method 3. We'll solve it using method 3. And method 3 is use a single model pop-up. One. Then simply just change the content inside it. Guys, this is the hardest. Okay? This is the what? Hey. This is the what? the hardest. I cannot sugarcoat. Since someone can sugarcoat, it is easy. It is easy. This one is the hardest. Okay? And I need to practice. That's why I even made it the last one. Okay? It is the hardest because we use only one pop-up. One single pop-up. Then we just change the content inside it. Okay? Okay. So this is how we're going to do it. This one I just take off this one. I don't need this anymore. You don't need 3 of this. Okay? We're going to use only and only one pop-up. Only one. And the content inside it is going to change. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here. I put here const. Okay? And I come I put here the box brackets are there. And I come I put here content. Okay? The word inside it is going to change. And I come I say here set content. Okay? Set content. Okay? And I come I say here is equal to, then I put here use state. Okay? And I come there, I put there is equal to null. If there is no any content, it will show null. Okay? Okay? If there's no any content, it will show what? It will show null. Members, are you understanding? Are you understanding very well? Are you understanding very well, members? Okay? And this one here we're going to base on content. We're not going to base on the form. On the form pop-up we're going to base on. We are going to base on content. Okay? Based on content. On content inside the form. Content inside the form. Okay? But we want to base on the content which is inside the form. Okay? This one idea can be IE, can be content 1. Okay? It can be content 2. No, first take back. What is this happening? What is this happening? I understand what is this. Okay? It can be content 1, it can be content 2, okay? Inside the form, okay? It can be content 3, it can be content 3, it can be content 3, okay? It can be content 3, okay? And members, if there is no any content, if there is no any content, inside, it will be null. Okay? It will be null. Okay? So then I come and put there, for example, my types. Here I'm defining types. I come and say, so the thing here is a string. You can even put number if you want, but me I want string. Okay? Me I want string. You can put there your number, for example, content 1 over 1, just 1. It's okay for you, but for me I want a string. Okay? So I come and put there, for example, it can be either a string, okay, or it can be null. What is this? What is happening here? Shift, okay, can be null. Okay, just like that. Const content is equal to set content. It can be either a string or null, the types. Okay. So as we are moving. We are going to use only one pop-up. I even repeat here. Someone could be on here still lost. One pop-up. One single one pop-up alone. One pop-up. Containing information. For three different pop-ups. In one. Okay. One pop-up containing information for 3 different pop-ups in one. That is what makes it even more dangerous and more bombastic. Okay? More dangerous and more bombastic. Okay? That's third one. Okay? And then as I tell you to practice all of these ones, because I know what I'm telling you. Members, I need to practice all of these ones because I know what I'm telling you. For you to be comfortable with this one, I come in the next lesson I teach. We teach an example in this one. And you'll be lost, you'll be berserk. Okay? You'll be just completely off the trail. You'll be lost in the clouds. because you don't want to practice this one. Okay? So I'm laboring so hard to teach you all of this and you understand. If you're lost, you can pause the video and take it back. Okay? Okay. So as you can see, the first pop-up containing information for 3 different pop-ups in one. Okay? Okay. So let's go. Let us go. So content is here. I'm now dividing the content into 3. Content 1, content 2, content 3. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here. You can see where the card is. I see where the card is. Instead of saying set open like this, I'm going to say here set content. Set content. Okay? Just like this. Set content is coming from where? It's coming from here. It's coming from here. Okay? Okay, it's coming from there. So, it will be here very well. Set content. Okay? Just like that. Set content. Set content. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here in my card very well. And I come here, I put here, for example, instead of set open, I put there set content. Set content. Set content, okay? Set content, okay? Set content, okay? Okay? My card, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here, I put here set content. Set content. Okay? Now, this one is going to work for us. React dispatch, this one brilliant. So going to work for us. So now for the first one, first pop-up, okay? When I run the first example. But right now, this one here, we have different things. I have here content. When I come and move on content, it shows me. When I come and move on set content, it shows me react.dispatch.react set action string or null. String or null. Okay? So I just copy this as it is. I bring it inside my card very well. Okay? There. I put it there. React.dispatch, react.string, set action, string or null. Okay? Okay. So I come here and I say instead of this one here, only click set content. Set content. Okay? Then here it will be instead of this one where it is true. Instead of this one where it is true, it's going to be like close to what we did in example 2. Eh? Because what we did in example 2, it's going to be content 1. Content 1. Okay? Okay? Not true, but content 1. Okay? Okay. Because what we did just in the previous example, just recently. Okay? Okay. Just like that. So this one, the card is done. The card is done. Okay? The card is done. Okay? So, the card is done as you see it there. So this one here, when you're seeing here, for example, open, you're not going to read this one pop up 1, you see this all, you're seeing all these lousy things here. Pop up 1, pop up 2, pop up 3. No, and in this example here, you're not going to based on that. We are going to put only one single pop up. Okay? Only one. One, not even 3. So this one I can even come and remove this like this off. Okay? I come and remove this one here for pop-up 2 off. Okay? You're seeing these members. You're seeing these members. So I'm left with only one. I can even just say the pop-up is there. Pop-up is there. Okay? The pop-up is there. Only one. Okay? And the pop-up is this one here. It's one I'm going to be left with. Okay? Okay? Only one. Only one. Okay? So instead of saying here content open like this, I'm going to put here content because content is one which is here. Okay? Content is one. And members, I hope members right now everybody is good with conditional rendering. No one has problem with conditional rendering at this moment. Okay? Okay. Content then I put here and okay? Your model pop up. And instead of putting, for example, this one here, set open like this. Eh? This one here, remove all of this. Remove all of this. Okay? I'm going to put 2 things, okay? I'm going to pass there 2 things. I'm going to pass there the content, okay? And the set content, okay? I'm going to put there the content and the set content, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come, I pass them there. I come here, I put their content. I pass them as props, content. Then I come and say here is equal to content. Okay? It's equal to content. Okay? Just like this. And I come and say here set content. Set content. Set content is equal to set content, which I'm passing as props. Okay? Set content, which I'm passing as props. Okay? Okay. So now I'm going to come in my model pop-up and I see all these ones that I'm taking. Okay? Okay. Current my model pop-up, I see all the ones that I'm taking, okay? Okay. So members, I hope members you are really understanding at this moment, okay? Okay. So we go inside our model pop-up here. Our model pop-up here, okay? Okay, which is going to be here. Okay? Okay. So instead of this one here, what is this? Remove all of this because this one here is the old version. Okay? We're now doing things in the new version. Okay? Okay. So, I put here, the first one we took was which one? We took the content. Okay? We took the content. Okay? I say here content as you see it there. Then I come and define text for the content. Define the text for the content. The text for the content are which ones? Come and say here content. Okay? Content is which type? Content is which type, members? Content is which type? Content is which type, members? Content is which type? I come here, I see. And I hover here and content and I see. Content is which type? Content is here. It has here string or null. String or null. You see it? It's here. Eh? It has here string or null. Okay? String or null. Okay? Okay, just like that. So I'm going to bring it inside my pop-up here. Okay? Here. This is where I'm defining type string or null. Okay? Okay. So which other did I pass? I passed which one? I passed set content, okay? So the set content you're seeing here. So I'm going to confirm it inside my props, okay? Okay. Come here, I confirm it inside my props. I copy, I bring it inside my props here. What am I doing? Members, guys, am I lost? Okay, I'm here, okay? Okay. So I'm here. So I come here, I put there set content very well as you can see. So I come and define text for that set content. I come and say here comma. I come and put the set content and I come and put it there very well. Okay. When I come here on my page, I have here when I hover here, they bring for me react.dispatch.react set action string on there. Come and copy all of this as you see it here. Copy it as you see it there, and I bring it inside my card. I bring it inside my model pop-up, okay? Okay, I put it there pretty well. Okay? Okay. So it remembers it looks good. Right now, after doing this, I'm okay. I am what? I am what? I am okay. Okay? Okay. So members, this my model pop-up as it looks like this. Okay? It looks like this, okay? And it's going to contain information for all three pop-ups in one. Okay? I was what I'm going to do exactly. Watch what I'm going to do exactly. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to come here. This whole information is only and only for one pop-up. Okay? So I'm going to come and Control X. I take it away. I take it away. So I come and open now the angle brackets. The angle, this angle curves here. Okay? I put them here. So this way I'm going to put everything. Okay? Watch. So I'm going to put everything inside this angles here. Okay? This angle size symbols. So I'm going to put everything. Okay? Okay. So now I'm going to come here and now open my JavaScript symbols. I now open my JavaScript very well. I come and do like this. Okay? Now I come and now this one is going to be for content 1. This one is going to be for content 1. This one you're seeing here, okay? Okay. So let me not even put it there. Let me just come and put the JavaScript brackets, okay? Just like this. Just like that, okay? Okay, this one's going to be for content 1. This bracket here you're seeing is going to be for content 1, okay? Okay, so I'm going to come and put there if content, you see this content which you're seeing here. Let's remember this thing is content which is there. I'm going to come and put there. If content you're seeing up here is equal to content 1. To content 1. Content 1 is which one here? It's the one you're seeing here. Content 1, this one you're seeing here. Okay? If it's equal to content 1, it's equal to content 1. If it's equal to content 1, okay? If it's equal to content 1, okay? And put this one here, put this one here, then show this. Then show this, okay? I put now the JavaScript brackets there, and I tell you now, show this. Wow. Wow, it's done. Okay? It's done. Okay? It's done. This one here is for content 1. This one here is for content 1. Show that one. Okay? Show this one here. Okay, so when I come, I say here, a set content, here where I'm seeing set content, and I put there, instead of false, put there null. Put there null. Okay? Put there null. Okay? Okay. And I come here and see here, it's like here where the thing means set open true. I'm going to come there, I put there, set content, This one is opening true. I come here, I put there content 2. Content 2. Content 2. Okay? Okay. So this one is opening content for content 2, okay? Okay. So remember, this is how it looks like, okay? This is how it looks like, okay? Okay. So you're seeing here is for only and only 1. It's only and only for 1, okay? So you're seeing here is only and only for 1. Are you understanding, members? Understanding, members? Okay. So now we are moving to another which is for only and only. Now we are moving for now after doing this, I can even come here. And I see. I can even come here in my browser and I see. Okay? It's coming. Okay. Top card, view details, okay? It's there. So when I come, I say here, view details, I type on view details. Okay? This for me, the whole pop-up as you see it there. Okay? When I come, I say here X. Okay? And I type, I say view details. Everything is good, okay? Okay. So now this one is not working because I want to set for content 2, okay? I want to set for content 2. Okay? Okay. So let us go and we see. So we see. So I come here, I'm going to remove this one, this pop-up here. Pop-up 2, I'm going to remove it. All I'm interested in is only this data, this one is inside here. I come, I copy, I control X, I take that content. After doing that, I can even come and remove that. I don't need this model pop-up 2. I don't need this one. Remove. Take the copy. Okay? Okay, I don't need it. I just only need only I only need only the copy, okay? Okay. Actually, I want to delete what pop-up to delete, yes, delete. So I come here, now on the content here, I come here and I do like this. I say here, comma, okay? Come and I say here, comma. Then now I put now for content, for the second content, okay? I put them in brackets, okay? Okay. And I come I put down now this one. Now this one is for the second content, okay? Come I say content 1. If content is equal to content 2. Content 2. Okay? And put there and okay? And I come I put there the brackets there very well as you see them there. Okay? Okay. And I put there everything is inside there. Now this one is for content 2. Okay? For content 2, now the information that has been on my second pop-up, I put all of it here. Okay? It has been on my second pop-up, I put everything here. Okay? For content 2, inside the first that model pop-up alone. Okay? Okay. So just come I shift these ones and say set content. Say here set content. I put there false. Instead of false, I put there null. Okay, null. Okay, and I come here instead of set open. This is 3. This is 3. Okay, I come I say a set content, and I come I put there content 3. And I come I put there content 3. Okay, as simple as that. As simple and precise and concise as that. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. So members, I hope members you are understanding what you are doing right now. Right now this content you are seeing here is for content 2. For now the content 2 but inside one pop-up, okay? Inside one pop-up. So even if I come right now and I do for example, view details, okay? And I come and say yeah, view all images. Okay? Now they are there. But remember there is no model starting right now, okay? So now let's work on the third one. Let's work on the third one now. Let's work on the third one. So I want to come here. As you can see. I come and do like this comma, and I'll put the letter for the third one inside there. Okay? Okay? Okay. So I come and put the content. Okay? And I come and say yeah, content is equal to content 3. content 3, okay? And I come, I put there and I come and I put there and, okay? And I come, I put there this brackets you're seeing there, okay? Someone come, I drag all the pop-up for all the ones is pop-up 3, and I bring it here. Drag all of it. I don't even need pop-up 3 anymore. I can even delete it. Move to the cycle bin. So I'm left with only one, okay? So I come, I put all that content inside here. Inside there. Wow, it's there. So it is there. Content 3 is inside there. Okay? Okay. So this one is set open 3. This one is set open 3. I come, I do, for example, this one is set content. Set content. Okay? And I come, I put this one as this one is content 3. Content 3. Content. No, this one is null. This one is null. This one is null. Okay? This one is null. This one is null. Okay? This one is null. This one is null, as you can see. This one is null. So let us see. This one is null. Okay? Okay. So you must have members, we are good. We are good right now. You must have right now we are good. Members right now we are good. Okay? Okay. So as you can see right now, I can right now they're telling me these ones are invalid. Remove these ones. Remove them. Move these ones here, because they are no longer necessary for us. We only have only one. We only have only one pop-up. Okay. We only have only one pop-up. Okay. Okay. Only one pop-up we have right now. Same as it looks like this. Okay. Okay. So you have only one pop-up you're seeing here. Okay. Okay. Same as you can see here, it's there. The third pop-up is there. So now I come and do, for example, view details. I tap on it like this. Okay. And I come and say here view all images. Okay. And I come and say here X. Okay. And I come and say here view details. And I come and say here view all images. And I say here X. And I come and say here view details, view all images. And I come and say here view a single image. Okay. Wow. 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 Wow, guys. Guys, wow. Guys, wow. Okay. Members, you have understood very well what we are doing. Members, you have understood very well what we are doing. Okay. 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 So members, we have one pop-up. Remember, someone can even below us. We have only one pop-up, but it's showing the data for 3 things. Are you seeing, members? Let me come and say you have view like this, view single image, view for only the data it's showing is only for one, but it's one single pop-up. You can even be amazed. Okay? You can even be amazed. Okay? Okay. So members, what you're remaining to do is just put that arrow, not for taking me backwards. Okay? That arrow for taking me backwards. Okay? Just that arrow for taking me backwards, and that we are left to put. Okay? Okay. Members, right now, I hope right now, no one has any challenge right now as far where we have reached. Okay? So far right now where we have reached. So now let us go and put that arrow. I come here very well. Right now, let me first see here. Let me first see where is the model pop-up. It is here. Okay? Oh, no, the model pop-up is where. So I'm going to come here. Where is it? 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 It is here. It is there. Okay? It is here. So members, as you can see, the content is here. Okay? So I'm going to come and put there the button very well. One come and I put there the button very well, okay? One come and I put there the button very well. I come here, down here, okay? It's here. Someone come and put the button there very well. I'm just going to copy this one here, okay? And I put there the button now. I put now the button there. This button here, this button takes me back. Takes me back. Okay? Button takes me back. Okay? Okay. Same as you can see, it looks like this. So I can come and put this one as you can see it there. Okay? So this button takes me back. Okay? This button takes me back. Okay? This button takes me back. This button takes me back. Okay? This button takes me back. Okay? Okay. Same as you can see, it looks like this. So I come here. I come there as you can see. So I come and I just put this one here like this. The button is there. So this one here takes me. This one here, since we're on the first, this one is go back. Put this one as go back. Put this one as go back. Go back. Okay? And I come and put instead of this image here, I come and put this one as arrow big left. Arrow big left. Okay? arrow big left, just like this, okay? Arrow big left. And I come, I put there instead of justify and I put justify between. Justify between, okay? Justify between, okay? Okay, just like that. So members, there's something which is going to happen. When I come, I tap here, for example, view details, okay? It is here, go back, as you can see, okay? But this one is supposed to just take me back. It's not supposed to take me on the next page. It's supposed to take me back. So I'm going to come, I put there. Instead of this one, I come, I put there. Set coin and I put there now. I put there now. Okay, just like this. So when I come, I tap there, so it's loading. When I come, I tap there, for example, go back, just closes, okay? Just closes. So when I come, I do here X, okay, it also closes. So when I come, I say I view all images. So then I'm going to come, I put this one, go back. Now the go back is going to take me on the first one, on the first one. So it will take me on the first one, okay? Point on of the first one, okay? Okay. Members, they have members understanding this. I will just come and copy all of this, and I just go down. I go down there when I'm on content 2. Are you seeing right now we're on content 2, okay? Okay. So I just go down, I come here, I come there, very well, and I come I put it here, okay? Okay. Come I put there justify between. Justify between. Okay? Then I come I put there, this one is supposed to take me to the first one, content 1. Content 1. Content 1. Okay? Content 1. Okay? Just like that. So as you can see, it's like that. So members, as you can see, it's there. So the go back is here. So and it's taking me to the to the content 1. So if I come and tap here, go back, it takes me to content 1. Wow! 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 I must have right now you have understood everything. You are understanding you're becoming a senior dev, a senior developer. Okay? Okay? So when I come and say I go back like this. So when I come and say I view details, I go here say I go back. View details, I can even come and say X. Then I say I view details, I come and say I view images. All images are here. Okay? So when I come and say go back, it takes me to point 1. I see. Are you seeing members? So when I come and say I view all images, and I come and view single image, okay? Now I want to put here the button 4, taking me taking me back and taking me to the second pop up or the second content, okay? Okay. So I come here and put it here. I put it there very well. Takes me to the second content, okay? Okay. So let's justify between. Justify between, okay? Okay. Then I come inside here when I say a set content, I come I put there, content, come I put there content 2. Because it takes me to the second content, okay? Okay. Just as simple and precise and concise as this. Wow. Guys, wow. Guys, wow. I can even just narrow it down for a little bit. Guys, wow. Okay? Our journey, our custom journey has come to here and end here. Okay? It has come to an end here. Okay? Okay. So members, you can see that all the content is inside one pop-up. You see only one pop-up here. Only one, but all the content which would have been in 3 pop-ups is only in only and only one pop-up. Okay? In only and only one pop-up. Are you seeing members? Are you seeing members very well? I see members very well. The word is in only and only one pop-up. You see all of this. I see all of this in only and only one pop-up. Okay? 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 Okay. So members, I hope you have understood this very well. I members have understood this very well. Okay? So when I come here, let me first fix this. I'm seeing some glitch here. Seeing some glitch here. I say 10 VH, let me put here 60 VH. 60 VH, as you can see there. Justify maybe between. Is it between? Okay, maybe there. Let's go like that. Okay, okay, just like that. So it looks like this. Okay, okay. So when I come, I do, for example, go back. I tap here X. Okay. So there is no any model stacking at all. Okay. And I come, I see your details, and I say I go back. I'm now enjoying. I come, I do here X. I go back, and I say here view details. Okay. And I say I view all images. They come here. And I come, I say I go back and take me to the first one. And I come, I say here all the images. And I come, I say I view a single image. It's here. And I come, I say I go back. Members, You have understood one of the most hardest concepts, okay? And deals with model stacking, okay? Okay? Okay, members, I hope right now you are good with this, okay? So members, all I wish for is for you to practice. All I wish for is only and only one. Practice, because I will come in the next examples to come in the future, and I saw you are using only 3. And for you will be doomed, because for you are used to 1. Eh? I told you members we have a lot of pop-ups. I told you yesterday, I taught you like about like 8 types of pop-ups. Yeah? And some of them are compatible with 1, some of them are compatible with 2, some of them are compatible with 3. Yeah? Some of them are compatible with 2. Now for you, you say, and me, I'm good with this. I just come with this tomorrow. I come with this one. I come with this one. So you must want you to practice this very well, and you'll be excellent. If you master this concept, you will be a very good developer. Okay? Okay? Okay. As you see these things here which you are seeing, don't get worried about this one. Here we shall just be fetching data. You just say, go here, then you fetch who, all the data just comes there, bah. And you come and say, here, view images. All the images come, voila, and they come there. And you come and say, here, view single image. It comes, it filters on a single image comes there. Don't get worried about that. Everything will be sorted there. But the most hardest thing, you can't reach there when you don't know this. 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 Okay? When you know that, you will be doomed. Okay? Okay. Members, right now, I wish you all the best. Keep practicing, members. Keep practicing. If you want to subscribe, please hit the notification icon and subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming classes to come. Okay? Okay. Members, I wish you all the best. We shall meet in tomorrow's class. Okay? But before we can meet tomorrow's class, I want to talk about what I want to talk about tomorrow. Let me first drag down here. So, in tomorrow's class, we're going to look at the guys. As we complete today's class, I would like to first talk about something. Tomorrow is going to be day 78. Tomorrow is going to be day 78, and we're going to look at the concept of tags. Okay, we're going to look at the concept of tags. Okay. Okay. So, members, this is a very, very, very crucial concept, and members, I would urge you not to miss tomorrow's class. Okay. Okay, it's a very, very crucial concept, and I don't like you to miss tomorrow's class. So, members, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, okay? Okay, don't when this video comes, you are able to see it there and then, okay? Okay. So, members, I hope to end today's class from here. I will see you in tomorrow's video, okay? I'll see you in tomorrow's class. Have a very good day.